Let's learn, let them know. It's choreographed by Rosie Multari. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, high beginner level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 4. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn, let them know. Section 1, your beat's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do forward step touches with claps. So you're going to step your right foot forward, touch your left next to your right, and clap your hands. We're going to step our left foot forward, touch our right next to our left, and clap your hands. We're now going to do a Monterey quarter turn. So you're going to point your right toe to the right side, slightly angling your body to the left. We're going to do a quarter turn over our right shoulder, turning on your left foot, and step your right next to your left face 3 o'clock. Point your left foot to the left side, and then step together with your left, taking weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your step touches. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to repeat what we did in section 1. So we're going to step forward with our right, touch your left next to your right, and clap your hands. Step your left foot forward, touch your right next to your left, and clap your hands. We're now going to do our Monterey quarter turn. So you're going to point your right toe to the right side, angle your body to the left. You're going to make that quarter turn over your right shoulder, turning on your left foot, and stepping your right next to your left to face 6 o'clock. Point your left toe to the left side, and then step together with your left, taking weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your forward step touches. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to flick your left foot back and behind your right. We're now going to step our left foot slightly forward, but like next to our right, and you're going to hitch your right knee up. We're now going to step back with our right, and you're going to hook your left foot over your right shin, making a figure 4 with your left knee. Step forward with your left, and you're going to scuff your right heel. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your step flick. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a V step. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, step your left foot into the left diagonal, step back with your right, and step together with your left. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. We're going to hold. We're going to do a quarter pivot over our left shoulder, putting our weight onto our left foot to face 3 o'clock, and then you're going to hold, and then you'll be ready to start the dance over again. Now in that section, if you want, because it is the Thursday night football theme, you can kind of wave your hands back and forth as you do that V step. You can add some extra styling, pretending that you have like pom-poms in your hand. So when you step out, you'll bring your hands right, left, then down, right, left, or you can kind of shake, 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 shake. Have a little bit of fun with it. Shake, 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 whatever you would like to do. You can kind of pretend that you have pom-poms. Same thing on that pivot, you can shake your pom-poms as you turn if you would like. I just did it on the V step, but if you would like to add more in, you can. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your V step with your pom-pom. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your forward touch. So it's forward touch, Monterey quarter turn. Forward touch, Monterey quarter turn. Step, flick, step, hitch, step, hook, step, scuff, V step, step, hold, quarter pivot, hold. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping forward and touching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen on the end of wall 4. So you'll dance the full 32 counts of wall 4, facing 9 o'clock, bringing you to 12. And then you're going to add on an 8-count tag. So we would have come to the front with our step, hold, quarter, pivot, hold. All we're going to do is step to the side and we're going to shimmy and drag our foot in, and you can kind of do your pom-poms if you would like, if you did on the V step. So we're going to step to the right, we're going to shimmy and drag for 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is your whole tag. It will happen that one time, in that one time only. So now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be wall 13, so it'll be facing 12 o'clock. You're going to dance up until your V step before you make any changes. So let's dance up to that V step, and then we'll talk about the two options that you have for ending the dance. Weight is on your left, doing your forward step touches. So step, touch, Monterey, quarter turn. Step, touch, Monterey, quarter turn. Step, flick, step, hitch, back, hook, step, stop, V step. Right here, you have two choices to end the dance. The first choice you have is to do a half pivot to the front and then end with your tag. So if you would like to do that, you would step half pivot to the front kind of quickly, and then you would do your tag, shimmy and drag, and shimmy and drag. And that is how you would end it. If you would like to do the second option, you're just going to change it from a quarter to a half. So you'll do your step, hold, half pivot, hold to end facing the front. So you would do 1, hold, 2, turn, 3, hold, 4, and then you will just end here until the music ends. That choice is yours. In the video, I did the step, half pivot, and did my tag again. That is what I chose to do, but you have choices to end the dance if you would like. You can kind of decide which one feels better for you. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 5 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tag into the next wall. Weight is on your left, starting with your forward step touch. So step, touch, Monterey, quarter turn. Step, touch, Monterey, quarter turn. Step, flick, step, hitch, step, hook, step, stuff, V step, and your step, hold, quarter pivot, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, touch, Monterey, quarter turn. Step, touch, Monterey, quarter turn. Step, flick, step, hitch, back, hook, step, stop, V step. Step, hold, quarter pivot, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do your tag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start over. Step, touch, Monterey, quarter turn. Step, touch, Monterey, quarter turn. Step, flick, step, hitch, back, hook, step, stop, V step. Step, hold, quarter pivot, hold. And then you would dance until the end of the song where you can choose your ending. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn. Let them know if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Been a hard day's work, grinding me to the bone. I'm covered in dirt, got a feel from my home. Been burning these candles, laying both ends. Put a hill full of dollars, that's all I get. Said Monday, Tuesday, I've been dry. I barely made it out alive. Wednesday, almost lost my mind. But every Thursday night, we gon' let them know. When we come to town, we gon' let them know. And we don't play around, we gon' let them know. Do anything to win, and something's gotta give. If you don't know what it is, we gon' let them know. When we come to town, we gon' let them know. Every single down, we gon' let them know. to hit those lights, let's get ready to roll. When the fans go out, the band goes crazy. When the drum line rolls on in, I said Monday, Tuesday, I've been dry. I barely made it out alive. Wednesday, almost lost my mind. But every Thursday night, we gon' let them know. Where we go to town, we gon' let them know. And we don't play around, we gon' let them know. Do anything to win, if something's gotta give. If you don't know what it is, we gon' let them know. Where we come to town, we gon' let them know. Every single down, we gon' let them know. Do anything to win, if something's gotta give. If you don't know what it is, we gon' let them know. I barely made it out alive. Wednesday almost lost my mind. But every Thursday night, we gon' let them know. Where we come to town, we gon' let them know. And we don't play around, we gon' let them know. Do anything to win, if something's gotta give.